Oh, yes. This is more like it. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're a regular here on the channel, you'll know the past few weeks I've done quite a lot of crafts. I'm pretty knackered. I'm crafted out. Well, not quite, but I just want a super easy, just chill, nice little video to make. So today I thought I would open a couple of mystery boxes because I am partial to hopefully a decent mystery box, and it's always just like a nice little surprise. It's kind of like Christmas has come early, and I'm all about that. I need it today. And I bought my mystery boxes from a website called Firebox.com, and this is not sponsored at all, but I have used Firebox lots and lots of times in the past, especially the run up to Christmas and birthdays, for just like little quirky gifts and stuff. It's quite a nice site. I would definitely recommend checking it out if you're into unusual things. And they have a selection of different mystery boxes on their website, and I went for the home mystery box for $29.99, and then I also went for the gadget mystery box for $34.99 because they were sold out of all the others. The one I'm most excited about is the home one. I'm hoping that has some really nice stuff in it. Okay, so the first one I'm going to be opening is the gadget mystery box, and inside here everything should basically be the objects that you can buy separately on Firebox. That's what it says on the website, and apparently the content's worth £60 when sold separately. So it should be decent, and I'm going to take their word for it. I'm not going to tally it up like I did last time, because it was just a lot of effort. So let's open it up, see what's inside. Hopefully, I just hope I get some nice things. The thing is, sometimes mystery boxes can be a complete waste of money, so I hope I need or want whatever's in here. I hate these things so much. I can't stand them. They're awful. They don't recycle. they just take up space. They're very colourful. They're very pretty. I might keep them actually. Ooh, I get a little scratch card, and either I get nothing at all, £5 off, or £10 off my next order. Oh, I'm going to scratch that. Well, I don't have a coin. I'll just use a pen. Ooh, I got £5 off. Ooh, nice one. I'll keep that because Christmas is coming up, so yeah, save me some money. Actually, I'm just thinking some of this stuff in here I could recycle for Christmas presents if I don't like them. So that's a top tip for you. Okay, so the first item in this box is an Angie Anglerfish booklight. I'm not a huge reader, so I don't know whether a booklight's particularly my thing. Let's have a look at it. Well, that is very cute. It doesn't come with batteries in it, does it? So it looks like this, and you clip it on, and then you've got the light. That's actually really nice. Do people use book lights? If you're into books, let me know in the comments. Do you use a little light when you're reading a book? Or do you just have like the big light on? That's adorable. I quite like that. I'm not going to see if it works because I need a screwdriver to open it up and put batteries in, and I just can't be bothered. This is a nice chilled video. But I like that. I do like it. It's very nice. I might re-gift that. Okay, what have we got next? Teeny tiny turntable. So it's like a little tiny record thing that plays music, and it's got some tracks on it. I'm gonna have to see what they're like. Do you have all of these songs? 3 mini LPs, each with printed sleeve and 30 seconds of music. Oh, you only get 30 seconds of the song? Oh, that sucks. So this is it here. Here's your little records, and you put it on here and it plays them. This has to be lies because it doesn't actually touch the thing. I'm gonna... I don't think this actually plays the song. I think it's just got... How the hell does it work though? Because I don't feel like these actually play anything. There's no on-off button or anything. I can't figure it out. Let's have a look at the instructions. Ah, so you just... Let me check the others. Right, I don't know how to turn this off. Shut up. I'll have to wait till it stops. Okay, so I think that is quite a fun little gift. It's very much just a little novelty stocking filler. And I do like that, it's not bad. I might repackage that for someone's Christmas present. But the thing is, these things are pointless because it doesn't actually like spin the CD or anything. You just put it on and spin it, and then it must have like a chip in there and it recognizes which one you're playing. So this is all just for show. Right. And then we have this in the box as well. I think this is the last thing. Oh no, there's something else in there as well. We have twin wireless speakers. Oh, that's not too bad actually. So it's a Bluetooth speaker. Oh, that's pretty decent. I'll keep that for myself. No one else is having it. Oh, shall I re-gift it? No, I'll keep it for myself. I don't mind that one. And then we have a screen cleaning kit for your phone. So it includes a keychain with 2 milliliters of refillable cleaning spray and a keychain with reusable microfiber cloth. Oh, that's not too bad. I suppose we'll try it out on my phone, because my phone's probably very dirty. Wipe away the germs, get rid of them germs. Because you know, a lot of people use their phone on the toilet, so you know, you'll probably have poo on your phone, and that's not good. Ah, lovely and clean. I don't mind that, that's very nice. Was that the last thing in here? Yeah, the thing is, you get these things inside of it, and the box is like massive. It's huge. And it's the majority of it just like them stupid peanut things. It was an alright box. I'm gonna give it a rating out of 5 for each of these. So I'll give this one, I'll give it a 3 out of 5. It was okay, it wasn't anything amazing. How much did I spend? $34.99. Yes, it's expensive, wasn't it? At least I got £5 off my next order. Okay, so moving on to our next mystery box, and that's the home one, which I'm the most excited about, but because it's Firebox, I'm almost placing my bets now that there'll be some sort of nightlight in here. I just have a feeling. I haven't opened it, I haven't sneak peeked or anything like that. I just have a feeling there's going to be some sort of nightlight in here, because they do sell a crap ton of different nightlights, like unicorn ones and all sorts. So I think one of them is going to be in here. And also with Firebox, they focus a lot on gadgets and stuff, so I think this one, although it's for home, I don't think I'm going to get like a pretty vase in there. In fact, I know I'm not. So, see what's inside. A lot of packaging chips again, of course. Okay, the first one. Fancy plants. They definitely don't know me well. I'm not murdering any more plants, I'm not doing it. It's an air plant holder. I think I've heard about air plants, and they don't actually need any water or anything. So maybe that's a plant that I could make live. Okay, that's cute. Oh, that is quite nice. I like that. I'm gonna have a quick Google, see what air plants exist. So there's a certain kind of air plant that can survive without soil or water. That sounds like my kind of plant. I'm gonna have to buy one and put it in here, and then hopefully I'll have luck with this and it just won't die. That's nice though, I like that. It's very much my kind of thing. Okay, what's next? Oh, it's noisy. A boba tea ambient light. I knew I was going to get a night light. I'm wireless, so you can take me anywhere. Just make sure I have batteries. Is this for a child? It says an ambient light, so it's not marketed as a child. It's almost like a rattle. Like, I'm going to put some batteries in actually. I'm going to see if that one works. I'm very intrigued to see what this actually looks like. What kind of batteries do you take? Please say you take AA. Oh, AAA. 3 AAAs. I don't know whether I have 3 AAAs. You're in luck, I do. I have 3 AAA batteries. That is shocking. I'm very surprised. Oh, that's quite nice actually. I like that. How cute is that? That is adorable. Oh, that might look nice on my shelf. The only issue I have with battery powered lights, this light box, that used to be battery powered, and I would go through so many batteries and it was so wasteful. So I prefer things that you can just plug into the mains. But if the power lasts long enough, I might put that on my shelf. I'll put that on my shelf anyway, because look at it. It's just adorable. Cute. I like that. That is, yeah. I'm happy with that one. Okay, moving on. Oh, okay, so we have a little Zen gardening kit. I do need some Zen in my life. I'm very chewed at the minute. I've seen these, it's like a little sand thing and you just like rake it. And it's supposed to make you all like chill and peaceful. So we put the sand in here and then we have some little rocks. Oh, bollocks. I'm not sure whether I get Zen Gardens, these little things, and you use your little rake and just kind of push the sand around. I don't know whether something like this would work on me. I think I'm just too stressed out for it. It's just supposed to calm you down. Look at that. Oh. No, that didn't work. I'm still very stressed. But I think that's adorable. It's obviously like a little novelty thing. And apparently you'll have tranquility wherever you go. 36-page instruction booklet. Well, that doesn't sound very peaceful, does it? I'm not reading that. And if you do Zen gardening, let me know in the comments if you actually do it, because I've never met a single person in my life who does Zen gardening. I did have a friend who used to have a bonsai tree and she used to prune it and stuff like that. But I don't think she ever had a Zen garden. Okay, what's next? Oh, we've got another one of these. Let's see if I've won any money off my next order. Oh, another £5 off. Oh, champion, I've got £10 off my next order. I'll put that to one side and then I can buy something that I actually want. Oh, yes. This is more like it. Love it. Love it. It's a Friends frame. Oh, what they have. If you're into Friends, you'll know it. This is great. This is just great. You can hang it on your door, use it as a photo frame. I actually did a video inspired by Friends, which you can see up here. I think it's up here. And I recreated the painting, the terrifying painting that Phoebe did. So if you never watched that video, then I would highly recommend it because it was so much fun, and I love Friends. It's one of my favourite shows of all time. This is just everything. Oh, look at that. That's perfect. This box has won me over just for this. Just for this alone. This entire box could have just had this in. I'd be like, fine, that's great. Love it, 5 stars. I think that's all that's in this box. Yes, that's everything that's in that box. Apart from obviously a ton of packaging chips. And I'll have to give the whole mystery box 4 stars out of 5. Because this one was cheaper and I actually preferred it more to the Gadget one. So yeah, that was them 2 mystery boxes from Firebox. And I've had quite a lot of fun just unboxing something and not having to make anything. It's been a nice change. But let me know your thoughts on either of these boxes in the comments below. Which one would you prefer to get? And this video was originally supposed to go up next week, but I've been working on a video that was supposed to go out today, and it has just been an absolute disaster. I'm making things, and one of the things is just going so bad, and I'm really trying my best to fix it, so I needed an extra week just to somehow make it look presentable, because at the minute it is hideous. It's gonna work, it's definitely gonna work. I can't have another massive failure, I really can't. But if you have any other mystery boxes, craft boxes, subscription boxes, anything like that you want to see me buy and open up on the channel just to see what it's like, then leave your suggestions in the comments below, because I do enjoy them. Even though sometimes they can be classed as slightly wasteful. Usually if I don't use the things or like the things that are in the boxes, I just either donate them to charity or I just give them away to like friends and family. So it's not like I'm buying a ton of crap and then just throwing it in the bin. And this thing, it was worth it just for this frame.
I am over the moon.
But if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I know it has been just a lot more relaxed and a lot more chilled. Like I said, I just really needed it. I really did. But next week is going to be a super crafty video, and I just hope it goes well. I really do. Anyway, I'll see you next week for that hopefully decent video. Bye!